to make
Ooblek! My name is Jackson.
And this is what we're going to make today. It's pretty easy. The name is a little strange. Ooblek. Do you know where the name Ooblek came from?
I don't know.
It came from a Dr. Seuss book called Bartholomew and the Ooblek. Thank you, Dr. Seuss.
Thanks. This is what we will be making today. Ooblek. If you put light weight on it, your finger or whatever you put in will just sink slowly down. But if you try to hit it really hard, it will prevent you.
So it is a substance that is both a solid and a liquid, and it's really kind of fun to play with.
Yeah.
So in order to make this, here's your recipe. You need 1 cup of water, 1.5 to 2 cups of cornstarch, which is really easy to find at the store, and some food coloring if you want to change the color of it.
It could stay white if you want.
Yeah, we have a white one right here. And if you don't have that much cornstarch, you can also make small amounts. And we'll show you what the consistency should be like so that you can just make a small amount instead of a big batch. And let's get to making.
Now, we add 1 cup of water. Some cornstarch. It depends on what big of bowl you have. Right now, we use 1 1/4 cups. Oh, this could get a little messy. It probably will. Now we mix it up. This might take a while. And now we have Ooblek. It looks liquidy, right? But I can barely hit it through. Oh. Can't really. Now it's all liquidy again. Ooblek. Now we're going to add a couple drops of blue food coloring, just for fun.
So if you look online, you can also find some videos of people who have made enough Ooblek
To put it in a baby pool and run across it. A really, really, really long baby pool, rectangular baby pool, and they run across it without sinking. Because if you put your foot down hard, it won't sink. But you have to quickly move to the next foot, and the next foot, and the next foot. Otherwise, you'll just sink down.
So as you're mixing it, it's hard to believe that you might be able to run around something that is so ooey and gooey, and yet it is so hard if you Push on it. So again, if you don't have enough to use a cup or 2 cups of cornstarch, what you can do is fill a small cup with water and then slowly start adding like a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons at a time and mix it, and it'll start to get thicker and thicker and you'll start to feel this consistency. Jackson's is a little more watery than mine, but both have the same effect. Once you get here, then you can get a little silly. You can actually stick your hands in it.
First, always take out the spoon, because if you hit it, it might hurt. It probably will.
All right, going in.
Feels like rubber.
But if I pull really hard, it breaks. If I let it just ooze, it's gooey. But if I pull, it breaks. So we thought maybe we'd share our fun little activity with you. This is Flipper and
Jackson!
from UCSD Recreation.
Make sure you don't eat this.
Good tip. Happy quarantine!
Make sure if you're under 3 or 4 years old, you should probably have a grown-up to help.
Things can get a little messy.
Not that messy.